Hi there, today I'm going to show you my application which is based on hiring or renting bicycles or motorbikes. This application contains inheritance, input, output, and classes and objects. Vehicles is a superclass that contains common information for both classes, which are bicycle and motorbike. Both of these classes are extending vehicle, which is the main class, the superclass. So also motorbike contains a array list, which is a small database which allows to add motorbikes to it, get data size of it, which is the how many motorbikes is in the system, or get the motorbike method which is used in the GUI class, which I'm going to talk through later on. Similar with the bicycle data here as well. The vehicle contains methods here to get all the information that is required for renting it. Similar with bicycle or motorbike. Bicycle and motorbike have a different information from each other, where vehicle contains common information for both. Next, I will show you. I have a client GUI there, admin GUI, and administration information box. So I will talk through this code while I'm showing you the application itself. And I have a run here as well, which allows us to pass information and talk to and let the classes talk to each other. And let me show the application. Here is the administrator window, the client window. So first of all, the administrator have to add information to add the bicycle or a motorbike to the database. So first of all, we need to fill out all the information here, which is the common information and the bicycle information. All of these is based in the admin GUI, which I'm going to show you right now in a second. So after adding, there is all the code for bike to add bike. So it's actually getting all the information here. There are the variables there to state things, only for the common, which is the vehicle itself, and here it's just the bicycle, which contains information about pegs, weight, tin wheels, and bicycle name. This method here allows to get the information, which is only the bicycle here, and separately here are added vehicle information, which is common for both. Here we are adding all the information, which is this method is based in the other class, which I'm going to show you right now. This is the method there. Excuse me. This is the method there here. Send info, and it appends the text to the text field in the administrator info, which is over here. So let me run the application for you. Let's add 12 euro per day. Color red. Tire pressure, I will not input it just for a show, and there is number of gears, 26 inches, no pegs, number of pegs 0, weight, which is 2 kilos for example, tin wheels, and road bike. And I want to add it, I can't because I did not fill out all the fields. I have added those boxes there in case a user run into a problem, and exceptions will handle these and will not stop the program. So we just fill out all the information now, add that, and as I showed you, the code is as I showed you the code here, that's the function of adding it and to the administrator information here to the box. If I'll add another bike, for example, I'll call this BMX, but the information here is, I'll just change that, so I want 4 pegs. and not teen wheels. So yeah, if I add another BMX for that, it will show me that there is a second bicycle added over here, which is a BMX. And yeah, that's basically it. And similar with motorbikes, I'll just add that information there. Engine size 600 cc, production year 2005, mileage 150,000, and let's call it Honda. And all of these information is added to the array, which is here, used as a combo box. You can see the motorbike added here, Honda, and bicycle, road bike, and BMX. And you can see all the information for administrator here in the box. So there is only one motorbike added, and there is 2 bicycles added. And all this is happening in this piece of code, which is just the bike button there, and it's allowing us to add that to the GUI as well. So there is the exception for the that's the dialog box, message box for the information, please do not leave the blank fields. And let me show you how the client works. Now the client is able to choose a bicycle or a motorbike. Before it was empty, and now we have road bike or BMX or Honda, which is added here as well. So bicycles, if I wanna get, for example, road bike, I can't, I have to specify the rent period. So let's say 3 days and say road bike. So now we are able to see that all the information appeared over here for from the class called vehicles and bicycle itself, which is 2 different methods used there to get that information. So if we want another bike or a motorbike as well, so we just specify that for 6 days, for example, and say I want Honda as well. So we're getting 2 separate receipts for that with 2 different prices, which is a total of 36 euros per 3 days, and the motorbike is, for example, 72 euros for 6 days as well. And if I want to get receipt for that, I just basically click the button, and I'm getting 2 separate receipts saved in a file, which is using input-output option. Basically it's just an output, but yeah, it saves it in the source folder, and 2 separate receipts. Let me talk through the client there, just to simplify the work. Basically this is the bicycles client there. For the info box, which is based in client over here, this info box is using this method there, and that's it. Similar with getting all the with finding which bike the client is talking about, I am using the for loop there to specify which bike got selected, and that's basically it there. Similar here, I'm using the exceptions here as well. All the GUI is there as well. I am calling the classes here from the array list, so these are called bicycle data. So I am calling them from here, which is bicycle data or motorbike data, so they can talk to each other and get information from each other. Yeah, and that's basically it. That's all the program here working. Okay, thanks.